Hey guys, I'm gonna do my first ever pack opening of NHL Legacy Edition. So, yeah, because the game was $80, they give you 10 free packs. So yeah, let's see what I can get. NHL Legacy Edition. Just for proof, there, it's right there. Okay. So let's see. I'm gonna open. No, not Daniel. I mean Tanner. I'm gonna open Carey Price. Let's do this. Come on, let's get something good. This is also my team build. We got 500 pucks. Ooh, Eric Stahl. Oh man, if we're still in like a 90. Oh, 5K. Oh, even though you can't. Can you still do that? No, you can't. You can't send them to like trade pal. Matt Molson. He was an 86 on my team before. Oh my gosh, but look at these. $500 coins. Nice. Yeah, these are nice. Send all to my collection. So yeah, I got an 85 off the bat. That's pretty good. Even though this is like, oh, not opening a bronze pack. Even though this is like packs of the Antondino. Open Steven Stamkos. So let's go, buddy, let's go. Who will we get? An 82, that's the best. I'm an 83. But he's not rare gold. It's not looking that good. Well, I'll send all to my collection. Send all. I'll sell them when I'm able to get players off. I don't know, should I say in the comment section, should I I can't sell Eric Stahl, what am I saying? I'm gonna try and sell players like once I get enough coins to buy, like, I don't know, if I get a live or something. Like in 8750 pack. Ooh, 86 and an 84. That's a nice pull. How much do you? Oh my gosh. But too bad I can't sell him. Look at that. 14K. Well, that's fine. Wow, I have a 6 center core. Man, oh my gosh, that's getting me pissed. Oh, I got a captain card. Center my coach. What? Then I'll sell you. Oh man, it's gonna really hurt me. Oh my gosh, that really hurts me, man. Scott Hartnell. But man, how much? 4K. See, these cards go for so much, but they're all puck bonus. There we go. 1,000 coins. High consumable. Change team, Chicago. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I got a lot of good things. They're consumables. So, yeah, so this is sick.